Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. There's something I want to show you here today. It's a cheap, inexpensive fix for if you're working on reefer door gaskets. These reefer door gaskets, if you go to the dealer and have them replace them, they're going to get you for a couple $1,000 to do the gaskets all the way around the door. So if you just got minor tears or holes, repairs, I'm going to show you a cheap but very effective way to fix it today, okay? You've seen this stuff on TV, but I've been using it on these reefer doors for about 6 months. It's been working great. It's this flex tape, okay? It's durable, it holds up, and it's cheap. So if you need to replace it, you just put some more on there. Now, something you can do if you have significant damage, let me show you one of these gaskets here. So here's, what the gasket looks like, obviously. Now, if you have a big tear or a piece missing, right, and you need it to poof out a little bit, because that's how you get your seal, right? So what you can do, cut a slit, or if there's already a slit, and take pipe insulation, like water pipe insulation, that foam stuff. It's round, it's got a slit down the middle, and I've been taking that and I shove it up in there as far as it needs to go to make that, that'll make that rubber poof out, yet it's flexible, so when you close the doors it can smush in, right? And then I take the flex tape and I seal it up. Now, something you can do with the flex tape to make it seal better when you're done is take a little heat gun to it, and it'll help shrink it down a little bit. I forgot the heat gun today, but that ain't nothing. But even like here, right, that's not bad, but I'm just gonna seal that up so that it doesn't get substantially worse. Maybe see if I can touch it up a little bit here. This ain't probably the right trailer to show you on. I got some other trailers where I've done a substantial repair job with that flex tape, and it's held up surprisingly well. So I'll just throw some on here, show you what it looks like when it's on. It's other than getting the whole gaskets replaced, which is very expensive, it's the next best damn thing that I've found. They can, now here you can see it's been repaired. If you take it to the dealer, they can like melt this rubber, kind of like weld it together, but even that's really damn expensive. So I'll slap some on here and show you. There you see, and press it down. It goes up into all the crevices well, and then heat shrink it. It'll suck down real tight, seal up real nice. Be a little sticky, might get some sticky residue coming out the edges there, but that ain't nothing. And it's durable as heck. I tell you what, put it 2 layers on or whatever, and super durable. I think I'll patch up that scar right there too, and call it a day. You can see right here, I patched this scar then too, and that'll seal up anywhere you can seal up air from getting out. You're gonna save yourself reefer fuel, keep that product colder. But if you have a spot like in a corner where you're missing like a whole corner piece, what I do is cut 2 little pieces and put on the outside here, I put the adhesive facing in, and on the outside also facing in, and then I adhere them to each other, and it'll hold real well. Is it as stiff as real rubber? No, but it can help you seal up a trailer. And in the hottest of heat, in this summertime heat, it's important to seal this stuff up. So just a little tip for you today. Even if you don't like it, hey, if you ever have a problem on the road, I carry that with me, and I can patch it up, maybe satisfy a customer, and get home to get a more professional repair done at the trailer shop if you need to. So anyway, just thought I'd pass that tip along today. Y'all have a good one. Hit that thumbs up button on the way out. We'll see you later.